Hey there, small business owners. Ever heard of Canva? Let me tell you how it can transform your business. Canva is an online design platform that lets you create stunning graphics, social media posts, presentations, and more, even if you have zero design experience. With thousands of templates, you can easily customize everything to match your brand's style. Need a logo, flyer, or social media post? Canva's got you covered. You can drag and drop images, change colors, and edit text in minutes. It's perfect for creating professional-looking content quickly and efficiently. Plus, as a creator of editable Canva templates for small business owners, I provide you with ready-to-use templates for contracts, service agreements, intake forms, and more. Just edit and go. So, if you want to save time, look professional, and elevate your business's online presence, give Canva a try. Trust me, you'll love it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips. See you next time.